Alright, YouTube, so look, it's my face camera. This is my update on my 2014 Chrysler 300C, you feel me? Right here, you feel me? This is an update on my vehicle. I ain't gonna lie, I have not updated y'all on my vehicle in a while. I gotta give y'all a little small updates on certain situations I have in my car, or like little videos or whatever, but basically, you know what I'm saying, this is a full update, you know what I'm saying, of my baby right here, you feel me? So listen, before this start, I want everybody to hit that subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, like the video up, I'm saying, get me right, you know what I'm saying? I want y'all to, know what I'm saying, lock in, lock in, lock in. Follow me on Snapchat, Base Tay, on Snapchat, and, you know what I'm saying, just, you know what I'm saying, social support, because, you know what I'm saying, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying, I'm really trying to lock in, and, yeah, to be honest with y'all, if y'all hear when, I apologize. I am at the, you know what I'm saying, I'm at the park right now, my little secret spot, don't worry about it, but yeah, so, oh, Spirit, still got the Spirit Airlines at the sky. I don't even know if y'all can see that right now, but I think I paused. But yeah, so basically, to be honest with y'all, so here go the update. I think last time I made an update, I was at like 100 and something thousand miles. I think 100,000 miles even. But now I'm currently at, I'm not sure to be honest with you. I think I'm at like 150. Chill, got a vibe. But I'm about to get a swap soon, so y'all ain't gotta worry about it. You know what I'm saying? The engine's gonna be perfectly fine. But I've been taking care of the car very good. And to be honest with y'all, this is what I'm saying, to let y'all know what I'm saying. If y'all got a car with high mileage on there, bro, y'all will be good, you know what I'm saying, as long as y'all take care of it, you know what I'm saying, and do what y'all gotta do with it. But basically, you know what I'm saying, let me stop talking, let me stop yapping. Even though I gotta yap the whole video, but look. So basically, like I said, this is my 2014 Chrysler 300. I'm gonna go around and show y'all a little 360 of it. You know what I'm saying, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all probably see some new stuff on here that y'all haven't seen before, like defects, of course. Oh my God. Y'all probably see some past stuff, you know what I'm saying? Some defects, you know what I'm saying? Some messed up, some, you know what I'm saying, horrible things. Basically, bro, you know, I've been going through it. Y'all, if y'all know, y'all know. Yeah, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all been seeing my my old posts, y'all know. But basically, so yeah, this is 2014, by the way, and we all know I had got the Uconnect swap for the Chrysler 300 for 1114, and I got a new can't talk. I got a new screen, but basically, you know what I'm saying, new control module, new thing. So basically, what I'm gonna do, I'm about to get a new steering wheel soon, because I have found out how to get steering wheel buttons working. So I'm gonna go lock in with that and get that, and I also got me some new rims right here. Got me some new rear rims. But I did hit a pole. But new rear rims and everything. I ain't gonna lie, I'm liking the rear rims. I'm liking the new rear rims. I'm thinking about painting them black and get the front ones, to be honest with you. Cause I feel like they look good, they different, you feel me? Not a lot of people got them, so I might end up doing that. And then I'm getting Brembo soon. But I'm not about to tell y'all what I'm gonna get. I'm out of breath. I'm not gonna tell y'all what I'm gonna get. I'm just gonna tell y'all, I'm saying, about the car. Any problems any problems I've been having with the car. So basically, to be honest with y'all, like I said, this is my 2014 Chrysler 300C, you know what I'm saying, by the way. And honestly, I don't want to jinx anything, but at 100 and something thousand miles, like, or I say over 130 plus, over 130,000 miles, this car has been treating me good. Like, honestly, I don't want to speak too soon. Like, please don't. But like, this car has not given me any problems, like, mechanically. Like, probably, like, you know what I'm saying, the axle, of course, it broke, but you know what I'm saying, my car has not. The engine is good. Transmission, no transmission problems, nothing. For me, everything has been good. And I feel like it's like that because the person who had the car before, you know what I'm saying, they took care of the car buried, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. I feel like, yeah, they took care of the car good, bro. And you know what I'm saying, of course, it was just my car now, and I'm the one that, you know what I'm saying, but still, it's still real good though. Like, there's no problems with it at all. It's well taken care of. Of course, I take care of it still, even though y'all might see me do this and do that with it. I still take care of my baby. I make sure she's good, because think about it, this is my baby. I want to keep her forever, of course. You know what I'm saying, even if, you know what I'm saying, if it comes down to it, I will still keep her. I'm just going, you know what I'm saying, give her a little swap or whatever. No matter how long it takes, even if, you know what I'm saying, I don't even got, you know what I'm saying, funds to do that little swap, I'm gonna let her sit down a little bit, you know what I'm saying, breathe and relax. I'm still gonna show her some love or whatever, but basically, yeah, I have not had no problems with this car at all, to be honest with you. This car, it's an amazing car. And before I got Chrysler, you know what I'm saying, everybody was like, oh, you're gonna get a Chrysler, parts expensive, this and that. You're gonna be paying this much for this much for that, and you're gonna have to be going through all these problems and this problem. Bro, I had, what? Come on now. Parts, in my opinion, parts isn't even expensive. I feel like when people say parts expensive, they're like, oh, $100 part is expensive. $50 parts. Bro, what? It's not no, bro. Come on now, let's be real. That's that's normal, bro. But I understand there's some parts that is, you know what I'm saying, overly, you know what I'm saying, like the fuel pump, or not the fuel pump, but the fucking power steering. That's just crazy. But pick and pull, you know what I'm saying? Pick and pull it. Like, I know people don't want to get used parts, but at the same time, pick and pull it. You go to pick and pull, you're gonna get the best parts ever. You know what I'm saying, for the cheapest price. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying, why not? You know what I'm saying? Just fuck with the pick and pull or something like that. If you have some problems with your car, that's what I do, to be honest with you. That's how I fix my axle. And yeah, and to be honest with you, like I said, don't pay a mechanic, because the mechanic gonna you over. But also, yeah, I did go to the pick and pull, and I had, you know what I'm saying, got my car situated. So what y'all should do, you know what I'm saying, don't listen to nobody if they say, oh, it's gonna cost this much, it's going, the car not reliable. It all depends on how you take care of your car. So make sure y'all take care of y'all babies, you know what I'm saying? If y'all really care about it, make sure y'all take care of y'all babies, because if y'all don't, it's not gonna last long, you feel me? And if y'all take care of them, it will last long, you feel me? So, yeah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even got much to speak on no more, but I just wanted to tell y'all, you know what I'm saying, it's doing good. She's doing amazing, you feel me? And I'm just glad that she's doing amazing, because like I said, I love my baby. I don't know what I'll be able to do without her. You feel me? I want to get her like looking way better than what she do like right now, because she's kind of, you know what I'm saying, is it raining over there? It's pouring down raining over there right now. No cap. Let me go over here. But basically, like I said, I do want to, I'm gonna walk over here while I do this. I do want to take care of her. I honestly do. Like want to make her looking good. Like the chrome, with the chrome delete and stuff. I want to fix that chrome delete, because obviously chrome delete is horrible. Chrome delete over here is horrible. You see, like, it is bad, bro. So that's something that I do want to fix, and I will fix it. So, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, everything come with time though. Because, you know, I had this car for 2 years. It took me a whole year for me to start acting. It took me like a year and a half for me to start adding like certain modifications to my car. Like, back in the day, I had the money. I had a lot of money. Like, I was, you know what I'm saying, working a good job, you feel me? Perfect job. And I didn't even think about, oh, let's add this modification or whatever. Whatever. You know what I'm saying? But now as I'm getting older, I'm like, okay, you know what I'm saying, add this mod. And if I was working on my car back then, like modification wise, I truly would have had a car, you know what I'm saying, that everybody be like, damn, that shit tough. I had a car that everybody like, oh, I'm saying, eye catcher, you know what I'm saying, this and that. I probably, you know what I'm saying, but like I said, patience is the key, and your time will always come. So, yeah. So, yeah. Pardon my bad. But yeah, though, my bad, y'all. I was sending messages. But yeah, I probably would have had the car, you know what I'm saying, that everybody was looking at like, dang, that car is beautiful. But at the same time, people still look at my car and be like, yo, this shit is sweet. But some people look at it as regular traffic. And I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to get away from that regular traffic category. A lot of people say regular traffic is just Chryslers in general, maybe Dodge Chargers in general, because of the fact that they say they see it everywhere. But I want to get it out that category where, like, in the looks wise, where like you look at it like, oh, no, that's sweet. Oh, that ain't no regular. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Even though some people already look at my car like that. But like I said, just little small cosmetic things I want to get situated with my car. And I still never had a diffuser in my car. I don't really mind not having a diffuser, but the next couple weeks, I'm gonna get all that situated. Then I'm getting like the little decal on my car. I'm gonna get the diffuser, and I'm probably gonna get the front rims, and get them painted black, so I can get the chrome delete, so I can get everything, like all the chrome gone. Yeah, I'm trying to just get everything like situated, looking good. For me, and I might fix my tent too. So I really don't care about the tent, but I might fix it. But I ain't gonna lie. I've been sitting here recording this video, and I have been just talking and yapping and stuff like that. But I did kind of give y'all an update on the situation with my car and everything. So I appreciate everybody who do watch this video. And if, you know what I'm saying, you got any questions about a Chrysler 300, if you thinking on building your own Chrysler 300 soon, and you got questions on, I'm saying, how much something costs, or like what's the process, or like any kind of things that you feel like, oh, like, would it be a problem if I do this, or just don't. Just hit me up, you feel me? Like, don't be afraid to hit me up, because I could kind of give you the knowledge that I know, you feel me? So I appreciate everybody that watched this video. You know, I hit that subscribe button. I'm out of breath. Y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Like this video. I appreciate y'all for real, man. I appreciate y'all for real. And yeah, tune into my next videos. Give me ideas, my guys. This is my baby, Big Cherry, and we are. Ooh, she look good. Out.